First ball. First runs off the bat. The captain gets off the mark, and so does Gwadar Sharks. A couple of runs added to the total.
Too much pace.
Yes, it top edge, overslip for a boundary. That's the first one. That's a good ball. That's a good sharp delivery. That's a good shot. Just coming down, meeting the ball early. May not get four. He does.
Amir saw him, dug it in. Last time he's advanced down the wicket a little bit later. But a good connection. Good effort from the fielder, Usman Khan.
Hasn't got all of it, but still might go to the boundary, and it does.
That ball still managing it to make its way to the boundary.
That's a good shot again. That's a beautiful shot. Back foot punch, standing tall, riding the bounce.
And he's had to make sure it's gone through the gap because there's three fielders in and around that area. Backward point just in front.
It's going to be a four. Oh, that's a good stop. That's a brilliant stop. The timing on the dive was so correct.
Oh, bold. Just walked straight across, tried to just work it onto the length side for a single, and they deserved that. And an excellent way to finish off the power play.
And the left-arm spinner bringing the ball into the left-hander, Shamil Hussain, not really knowing where his leg stump was. Missed that one. Generally a good batter, but
Pulled away. This may get in the gap. It's good timing.
you don't ball short to him. We have seen against the fast bowler a back foot punch off cover. This time a back foot punch. And just look at that, how he pierced the gap between long on and mid wicket.
He is thinking, I need a boundary, and why not reverse sweep? It's a clever shot.
Both the batter and bowler playing cat and mouse. This time Benkenstein got the better of Afnan.
Goes normal sweep. This is going straight to the fielder. Out. Tried to get it a little bit finer.
Wanted to go for another boundary this time. Again, the length was adjusted. He had to play it. Apish couldn't keep it low. The fielder was placed right for that shot. A very comfortable catch, and Afnan gets his revenge. An excellent shot there, piercing the gap on the offside.
Past the two fielders that are behind square, and once it goes past, it will run away.
Stumped. Little bit of turn away from the right-hander.
Yeah, just telegraphed his intentions a little too early. And he's done well because he's dug that in. For the first time, you talk about just a bit of assistance off the surface. Straightening, that's why it's gone past the outside edge. Good work from the wicket-keeper.
That in the gap and cut nicely for four.
After 21 balls. Looking out. Review straight away.
Appears to be a bit of glove.
There you go. Walid Yaqub.
Edged and gone.
You could see this happening. He's missed a couple by giving himself room early on in the over. Missed a half volley as well. This time gets the outside edge. Goes through at a pretty comfortable height to the keeper, Smith.
That he does. Good use of the feet. In the gap, 4 runs.
Delayed his departure from the crease. And got to the pitch. Just swiveled round, played with the spin. That's a good shot.
And then cut away. Offside. Anticipating that the bowler will pull his length back. He stood deep in his crease.
He's gone big. Will he clear the field? Yes, he does. Maximum.
Boundaries we've had in the competition so far, because we're on pitch 3, so we're right in the middle, and it is a free hit. There was a deep mid-wicket out there, but it just goes all the way.
38 for 6 yesterday. This time, one bounce to the fence. So this is a good over. Looking good at the moment.
15th and the 21st, and sides have already lost that momentum, and they're really trying to get themselves to that 130, 140 mark. They're ahead now of where we've been in the last couple of games. 108 for 4, offside.
He's hit that in the air, but it'll land safe. Easy 2 there. Yeah, he read that. That slow one didn't work. Has gone for a maximum at mid-wicket region.
Again, you cannot become predictable as a bowler. You can't just bowl 6 slower balls, because that's what batters do. Stand tall, head still, and hit it out the ground.
Hit it straight. That's the safest zone. You never find fielders there.
Stays deep in his crease. Look at the length. Right in that slot. And just holds the position. Darren Sammy was really good in his career hitting straight. Remember Darren Sammy, the finisher?
He earned himself a boundary there. Just slicing that over backward point.
Look at his front leg. So he's getting his front leg out of the way. So even that nearly is the perfect Yorker. But he uses the pace. And he uses his wrists as well, doesn't he? And slices it away.
That's well done. Really well done. He's surely saved an extra run there. Oh, is he gone? He's actually got that.
Absolutely. Again, look, he tried to use his wrists, tried to get it past extra cover, but all he did was pick out extra cover. With his first wicket, Saad Masood goes to 22. 137 for 5.
Oh, that wasn't necessary. That really wasn't necessary. Just in the heat of the moment, the bowler just tries to aim at the non-strikers. He knows what he's done is wrong.
And this comes with experience, of course. Got to wicket the ball before. Look, he takes it. Of course he'll be out, but is it worth it? Is that worth it?
Shot. Call is for 2, and that will get 4.
This one into the surface, cut away. Back-to-back boundaries, and they're closing in on 150 as well.
That looks like a good shot. He's just cleared backward point. 2 more added to the total. Yeah, full toss. They probably will come back for the second to get that 150 on board. Yes, they do, and they complete that. So 150 in 20 overs from Gwadar Sharks. We're pretty happy after being asked to bat first, having that score on the board, and we surely have a game on our hands.